I am Dr. Arif Rao. I am working here as a director, Asian Healthcare. Asian Healthcare is a part of Asian Group. Asian Group has two medical colleges, Ayurvedic Unani Medical College, which are running since 1990, and our Asian Healthcare is working 2009. Actually, Asian Healthcare is working in Unani or Ayurveda, both medicines. Now we are manufacturing here tablet, capsule, syrup, and powder, etc. Asian Healthcare is GMP certified, and we are supplying our medicine in Delhi government as well as Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir, and now we are going for Dubai or Yemen. And we are also supplying our medicine in a different type of hospital in Aligarh and also in our medical college hospital also. Like Unani we are manufacturing like tablets, Habbe Noshadri, Habbe Ral, and syrup, clean syrup and health syrup. In Unani we are also manufacturing Majun, Khamira and powder also.